Welcome guys again to our tutorial how to use R for research. In this session, we are talking about importing data to R programming. Usually, researchers use CSV, text, SAV, and Excel format files. We have some functions for importing data, such as read.table, read.dlim, read.csv, and read.csv2. The data that we are using today is available in this link in our GitHub. It named Columbus. Let's read this data, columbus.csv, by using read.csv function, and we name it data, for example. What is the data? It's look like that, and we can use view function to display it as table. The hash symbol in R is used to write comments. So the RStudio now it is comment, not code. We can use read.dlim function and file.choose to choose this style of file, and we name it data1. And read.dlim is used for reading delimited tab separate files. After that, we go to the folder, then select the file data1. That's data. For comma separated values, we can use read CSV function, and we name it data2, for example. Data2 just look like that. And for semicolon separated values, we can use read CSV2 function. We use view data3. That's the data that we just imported. Also, we have read.table function. We name it table, the path of the file, then header equal true, separate equal semicolon. Also, we can use read.dlim in the same way. That's for importing data from our local computer. We can also reading an online files. For reading online files, we need some functions in these packages. Read R, Night R, and curl should be installed. After that, we call them. For example, we open this text file, test.txt, header equal false, the file available at Amazon AWS. We name it df, for example. That's df. In the same way, we open test.csv. That's it. In another case, we use read.csv2. That's the end of our session.